Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open a Halifax bank account. First, go to your web browser and search Halifax account creation. Click on the first link associated with halifax.co.uk. Halifax Bank mainly offers 3 accounts: Ultimate Reward Current Account, Reward Current Account, and Current Account. For this tutorial, we are continuing with Current Account. Scroll down and click on the Apply Now button given in the New Customer section. Here, you'll find complete details about this account. Now, you need to answer a few questions for your account creation. Next, add all the required information on this page, including your personal information, contact details, and nationality. Once you're done, click on Continue. After that, provide all the additional information that will be asked for your account creation. Once it is approved, your online account on Halifax Bank will be created. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.